What's up YouTube, Lambert and m8's here. This is my bike check. Do you like it?
Starting from the front, we've got S&M Perfect 10 bars. I've had them for a little while now and we've only done it once because I threw it. The 3 bike. ODI long neck grips, extra large. I did stretch these but don't do it because it makes them a bitch to put back on. And it only does it like half an inch, so it's not much point. There's Salt AM stem, top load, oil slick, top cap, it's just a null necro top cap, snafu headset, and oil slick. So smooth. So I'd pick one up, go to custom riders or Winstanley's m8's. That's where you can get all my parts, so check them out. Maniac forks, so strong. My front wheel is a Quando Complete, just a cheap 50 quid wheel, get shoved on. Odyssey Atkin tyres in 2.35. We've got the frame, it's a Pult, I think it's a V2, but I'm not sure. If you know what the frame is, then just comment below. Come on. BSD slinger seat, it's so comfy. It's probably the comfiest seat I've ridden. Under that I've got a Diamondback seat post. I don't really like Diamondback because I found their parts snap and break really easily. The seat post has worked well. So chrome BSD bottom bracket in 19mm, so smooth. Just the same as the snafu headset, it runs so smooth. You seriously need to pick one up, they're amazing. Next we've got the Shadow Conspiracy sprocket. I think this one's discontinued, but I don't know, so look out for it. You should be able to find it somewhere, but it's a great sprocket. Profile Racing cranks in chrome. Great cranks, solid. Yeah. Our pedals are just cheap metal, horrible, stabby, leggy metal blocks, really. Horrible. The chain is a heavy duty gusset chain. I've had that up 6 months now. It's a solid chain, it's not snapped once yet. Touch wood. Salt plus back rear wheel complete. I run it left hand drive because obviously I've ran on my right hand side, so it makes sense. Pegs are Salt. I've had them since I've basically started riding, so seriously picked some up. The full metal, great solid pegs. My hubguard is a Primo hubguard, full metal. I run it on the right hand side because obviously I've ground on the right and I switched drive when I got it. I run as much PSI in my tyres as possible, maybe going down by 5-10 PSI if I've got a patch on my inner tube, so yeah. That's my bike check. I hope you liked it. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Lambert and m8's.
Run off with some tripod. Nice one. What a knob.
Next I've got
I'm gonna throw you both in the bowl. Yeah, I know. It'll be shady when you fall in the bowl. Accidentally.
Next I've got the going down to the back, it's got the middle. Next we've got the profile racing crank. Next we've got the profile trace. With as much baseline in the tyres as possible, maybe going down by 5%.